Hello everyone. Now we are going to learn about noun-phrase. What is a phrase? A phrase is a group of words that works together in a sentence but does not contain a subject or a verb. Meanwhile, noun phrase has a meaning is a noun phrase may function as the subject or object of a clause. A noun phrase may consist of a single word, a noun or pronoun, or a group of words. The most important noun in a noun phrase is called the head word. Modifier. A word or group of words that describes, qualifies, or gives detail about a noun is called modifier. Example, a brilliant detective, a man with a gun, the boy talking to an angel. Modifier have two types, pre-modifier and post-modifier. Pre-modifier divided to determiner, present and participles, past participles, adjective, and nouns. Post-modifier divided to relative clause, prepositional phrase, present participle phrase, infinitive phrase, and accusative phrase. Pre-modifier in noun phrase include determiner, adjective, and quantifier. Determiner will usually come first in a noun phrase. Determiner include article, a, and the. Example, she is a doctor. Demonstrative, this, that, that, the. Example, the houses are very expensive. Possessive, mine, your, his, her, our, their, its. Example, our class is very big. Adjective. Adjectives are part of speech which are meant to define and add detail to a noun. The word small, big, full, red. Example, tremendous storm. He has a beautiful pose. And the last is quantifier. A word that usually goes before a noun to express the quantity of the object. The word is a lot, many, every, some, and each group. Example, I have many candy. The engine needs a little oil. Order of noun phrase. 1. Determiner plus adjective plus noun as modifier plus noun. Example, my favorite superhero film won Oscar. Where is the noun phrase? Yes, that's right. The noun phrase is my favorite superhero film. My as a determiner, favorite as adjective, superhero is a noun as modifier, and verb is noun. Second, determiner plus adjective plus noun. Example, the beautiful girl is walking alone. The noun phrase is, yes, the beautiful girl. The as a determiner, beautiful as an adjective, and girl is a noun. 3. Quantifier plus determiner plus noun. Example, all those children are waiting again. Where is the noun phrase? Yes, the noun phrase is all those children. All is a quantifier, those is determiner, and children is a noun. 4. Quantifier plus determiner plus adjective plus noun. Example, each of the expensive glass is vivid. The noun phrase is each of the expensive glass. Quantifier is each, determiner the, adjective is expensive, and noun is a glass. And the last one, quantifier plus adjective plus noun plus noun modifier plus noun. Example, some delicious baked dishes are ready set. Where is the noun phrase? Yes, the noun phrase is some delicious baked dishes. Some as a quantifier, delicious is a adjective, baked is a noun modifier, and dishes is a noun. And the last function of noun phrase. In a sentence, a noun phrase can accept all the functions that a noun can have. For example, it can be a subject, an object, or a subject complement. This function will be explained in the subheading paragraphs. It is important to know how to write, and recognize noun phrases, because noun phrases make sentence and writing more effective. For example, when a sentence with a noun phrases can replace several simple sentences that provide the same amount of information. Yeah, it's finished. I hope your guys enjoy in my class, and see you for the next time. Bye bye.